Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will talk about how to fix a lost Duolingo streak by time zone hack. So to fix a Duolingo streak by using the time zone or date hack, you can manipulate your device's date settings to go back in time and complete the missed lessons. This works by convincing the app that you did not miss a day, which can be done on both mobile and desktop. Now what you can do is just go to your Duolingo app and identify the missing days to see which day was missed. Now what you can do is go offline, or maybe go turn on your airplane mode on, or maybe go offline or activate your airplane mode on your phone to stop the app from syncing the current time. Now the next what you can do is just go to your device's system settings. Go to your device's system settings, turn off set automatically for date and time, and set the date back to the day you missed. Now change your time zone to one that is still in the previous day. Now reopen Duolingo. You must be still in airplane mode. And after that, complete at least one lesson. This saves locally. Now go back to your device, settings, turn set automatically, back on, and turn off airplane mode. Now open Duolingo again. The app should now sync the completed lesson, recognizing it for the missed date and restore your streak. So I hope this video helped you guys. See you in my next video.